Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing starchy russets because they crisp best. Once chosen, cut 1/2 sticks and soak for 30–60 minutes to remove surface starch. This prevents sogginess. Dry them completely. Moisture kills crisp. Meanwhile, heat neutral oil to 325 degrees F in a deep pot so you can gently cook fries without browning. You will do a first blanch fry at this lower temperature to cook the interior. This step sets you up for a perfectly fluffy center. Once your blanched fries are pale and cooked through, remove them to a wire rack so steam escapes. This prevents soggy exterior during the final fry. While they rest, make a quick gravy. Brown 2 tablespoons butter, whisk in 2 tablespoons flour to a blonde roux, then slowly add 2 cups hot beef or chicken stock while whisking to avoid lumps. Simmer until thickened and seasoned. Make sure to taste and adjust salt. Gravy flavor carries the dish, so get it right now. You finish by heating oil to 375 degrees F and frying the rested fries for 2–4 minutes until golden and crisp. Drain and salt right away so seasoning sticks. To assemble, pile fries, scatter 1–2 cups fresh cheese curds, then ladle hot gravy so curds soften without fully melting. Serve immediately for best texture. If things go wrong and fries are soggy, refry briefly at 400 degrees F or crisp them in a 425 degrees F oven for a few minutes. This restores crunch while keeping the interior tender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.